When you have good people around you, do not hurt them. Do not take them for granted. Because the day them left you, that's the day you're gonna know the meaning of cow. Never know the use of his tail until it chop off. So whenever time you have a good person around you or some good people around you, treat them good. Treat them kind. Treat them the very same way they treated you. Because sometimes people have a tendency of taking people kindness for weakness and taking people love for granted and thinking that because you're loving and you're kind and you're benevolent that you are a fool. But remember, the day that those people or that person walk out of your life and you know no more good person around you, then you will know what time is it. Because sometimes we have the good people them around us and we treat them very unkind. And the people who don't love us and respect us, them are the one where we take the love and the kindness and give to who do not deserve it. Hold them heads there. Be kind to those who kind to you. Be loving to those who loving to you. Check your surrounded. Alright. Right, so. Shocking Morris said that.